Hey everyone, this is America's psychologist, Dr. Jeff Gardier, and I am so excited to announce that I'm going to be the master of ceremonies for the Jaja Foundation annual Black Tie Dinner taking place on November 2. I want to see you all there.
You are invited to the Jaja Foundation's annual Black Tie Gala on Saturday, November 2, as we raise funds for the underserved in Jamaica, West Indies. It's a night of gold, glitter, and glamour at this Black Tie fundraising gala to be held at the elegant Royal Manor, 454 Midland Avenue, Garfield, New Jersey. Donations are $150, and it goes directly towards our dental suite and the purchase of an ambulance for our EMS initiative and other projects on the island. Come out on Saturday, November 2 at 7 p.m. at the Royal Manor and enjoy sumptuous hors d'oeuvres during the cocktail hour and a 5-course dinner, as well as an open premium bar all night. This year's honorees will be Dr. Roy Street from OID, a pioneer philanthropist in the community for over 25 years. Other honorees include our volunteers, Jerome Peart and Richard Williams, or guest speaker Dr. Sonia Copeland, retired stalwart in the Ministry of Health in Jamaica. This year's Master of Ceremonies is celebrity author known to many as America's psychologist, Dr. Jeff Gardier. Come out and support the Jaja Foundation as we work towards helping the needy in Jamaica. See you there.